The battery comes in black and white, and you can connect multiple units in parallel. To do that, simply connect positive to positive and negative to negative. You can use either set of terminals, the first pair or the second, whichever suits your wiring layout. For communication, just connect BIN to BOUT between the batteries. That way, the system shares data properly when running in parallel. Now we'll show you how to install and connect 2 units in parallel. That's it, 2 units in parallel. Easy enough, right?